I got a FosPower Model A1 Emergency Weather Radio with internal rechargeable batteries and flashlight. Here it is. Made in China. Wanna check the social media? Pause to read. Better right there. Okay. This is the first time ever I'm opening the box. You can graduate the flashlight. You see that? Never used it before. Solar panel. That's how you recharge it. This material look kinda whack though. I don't like that. I don't like that material. I don't know. It looks too cheap though. This is the antenna, whatever. Nothing. Now let's see if it works. You have to turn it, test it right here. I have to charge it. Insert. Shows you a battery right there. I guess it just died. I'll turn it off. 1, 2, 3, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20. 20 turns.
Foul 6 times. And for the better part of maybe 3/4 of the game, led a Knicks team that had nobody available.
AM.
Rain showers with isolated thunderstorms in the evening, then partly
Weather
cloudy
channel,
after
I
midnight.
think.
Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds.
Just turn off. Oh. Okay. I'll turn it off. Now with this you recharge it, I guess. Just like the manual. Pause to read. Thank you, car. Huh. pretty much it. I'm gonna charge it and see how long it takes. Alright. I wanna see how long it takes to charge it. Probably if I put it outside. But this thing, I think you can put it like that. Solar panel. This is to charge it right here. I want to see how long it takes. Okay, once you connect it to the outlet, you get this.
South winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to 30 knots. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Numerous showers. For tonight, southwest winds 25 to 30 knots.
That's a match volume,
Northwest
by the way.
after midnight.
This is the
Gusts up to
weather
40
channel,
knots.
I think.
Waves 2 to 4 feet. Showers with isolated thunderstorms in the evening with visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles.
Right now it's connected to the outlet. And I want to see how long it takes to charge it. I'll put in the description box. Okay, I'm going to start counting from now. Right now it's 2:52 p.m. Let's see how long it takes. And for this, that's pretty much it. I got another one too, and I got another radio. We'll see. I'm sure since it's connected. Okay. Huh. Then it has this too. What is this? That means it's charging. I don't know. I have to read the manual, the legend. Should say it right here. So 16, 17, 18. SOS emergency alarm switch, radio on switch, USB power bank. Oh, on switch. So if you wanna charge anything, you put it here, and then you put the USB there, and charge whatever you want to charge, like your phone, whatever. But it's not that strong though. This is cheap though. I think I paid like $32 on Amazon. Alright. What is 17? Radio on switch. 19 Leon battery. What else? Huh. That's pretty much it. I mean, let's see how long it takes to charge. I'll put in the description box, or I'll put it in the right there, right here in the screen. I'll put it took like 1 hour to charge or something. Okay, remember it start charging around at 2:52 p.m. Okay, it's connected to the outlet. All right. I have a box. I'm using a Samsung. This one right here. Let me unplug it real quick. I'm using this one right here. This is from a Samsung. Okay, let's see how long it takes to charge. Alright guys, guess what? It's been 2 hours and 10 minutes. 2 hours and 8 minutes. This thing is still charging. So I don't know for how long you gotta charge this. But you let me know in the comment box section what you think about this. You can put the batteries here too. I forgot to mention this. AAA, 3 batteries. Alright, let me know what you think. You like it or not? I'm gonna get a new I'm gonna get a different radio, emergency radio, and I keep you posted. Okay, I'm gonna upload the video with a different radio, and let me know. Okay, this plastic seems okay though, but if it gets wet, what? Seems like if it gets wet, it's done. I don't know. You be the judge. But I'm done with this. Alright. If you wanna see it, here it is. FosPower Emergency Weather Radio, Model A1. How many bought it? Let's see what it says. Pause to read, okay? Have had this product for a little over a year and it helps up on deployments, camping. It helps when we have severe weather storms making us lose electricity. This has turned into a must-have for schools. It can be used to charge phones. So I don't know how many times can you charge your phone with this. You see it. I'm not gonna put my review because I'm doing this video, okay? So you be the judge. Where is it at? Usually it's $40. It's on sale for $30. Alright. Let me know. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. Yeah.